Good morning, everyone. Here is a 1988 to 89 Holmes Air 12-inch oscillating desk fan. This I bought at Goodwill I would say the summer of 2021 for I think it was like $5 or something like that. It's a pretty good running fan. I don't think I used it last summer. I don't think I did actually, no. But it's a good running fan. I still have it and I plan on keeping it. So yeah, without further ado, here's high. Put on steady first. It's kind of cold out to be running a fan, but the heat's on, so get out of the wind noise for a second. There you go. That's high, medium, and low, and oscillating. Yeah, it does click a little bit. I'm not sure if that's due to the fact the oscillation is getting screwed up, or so it's supposed to do that. I know it's not supposed to do that. That's low oscillation, medium oscillation, and high oscillation. Steady and off. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.